everyone, I'm Cassie from Cassie Dahl Teaching and Technology. Today I'm sharing just a few tips that you can utilize when you're using interactive read-alouds. I love to use picture books even with my upper elementary kids, so this works great for any grade. The first tip that I have is to display your book prior to when you're going to be reading it. So if I know I'm going to be reading this book on a Thursday, I make sure to have it up at least by Tuesday, if not even earlier. That way it starts to build anticipation and kids are excited to be reading these books that you've had up on your shelf all week long. The second tip that I have is to place post-it notes throughout your book at stopping points. So like this one says, what do you think Humpty Dumpty's idea is? So as I'm reading the page, I don't let the kids see the question. Obviously, I just pull it off. I read that to my kids, and then I ask that question. It keeps me on track, plus I'm able to plug in specific skills as I'm doing the interactive read-aloud without losing my points along the way. Now, I use 3 different color post-it notes when planning my interactive read-alouds. I use yellow or like a greenish color to mark before we read prediction questions. So I see a yellow one, I know I need to ask that before I read that page. I use blue post-it notes to mark specific skills. So maybe we're focusing on figurative language or context clues. I mark those types of questions with blue. And then I mark with red or a pink color are after the reading question. So after we read that page, then I'm going to ask this question. It just helps me stay organized, and I know that I'm asking those questions at the right places. I hope that you enjoy doing interactive read-alouds with your class.